Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming accounts and payment details so the purchase button can reappear. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID, then Family Sharing. Make sure Purchase Sharing is active and a valid shared payment method is listed. Once done, have the family member sign out of the App Store and back in to refresh permissions. This resets entitlement checks. If their device uses multiple Apple ID, make sure App Store uses the family member account, not the organizer's, to avoid mixed credentials. Now you reset the App Store state and permission filters so the purchase option recalibrates. Sign out of your App Store account, restart the device, and sign back in to force a new entitlement query. This resolves many phantom buttons. Next, verify screen time restrictions under Content and Privacy allow purchases and in-app downloads. Disabled restrictions will hide purchase flows. Finally, update iOS and the App Store to ensure the latest family sharing fixes are applied, because older builds sometimes misreport purchase permissions. To finish, test an actual purchase attempt so you confirm the fix. You should see the purchase button or an Ask to Buy prompt if enabled. Follow it through to validate payment routing. If the button is still missing, remove and re-add the family member in family sharing to refresh all shared entitlements. If problems persist, collect basic diagnostics, device model, iOS version, Apple ID states, and contact Apple support. That gives them what they need to resolve edge case account or server issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.